video going? Oh my gosh, it's a hailstorm.
Oh my God, look at it in the water.
Oh my gosh, look at this hail.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Holy cow. Look at the hail hitting the water across the lake. This is crazy.
Wow, it's getting worse.
Oh my gosh.
Right, I'm videoing, don't curse.
I'm videoing. I don't hurt. Oh, look at this. Wait a minute, hang on, I gotta focus. Oh my God. This is insane. Look at the hail hitting the water.
Unbelievable.
Listen to that. Oh my God. Our cars are toast. Our cars have to have huge dents in the cars. Oh my God. Actually, this is, Carol, this is insurance proof right here, baby. Yeah, thank you, yeah. Listen to that. Good God. I don't care about, well, I do care, but the one's still on my foot. Look at my, oh my gosh. It came into, wait a minute, look at that. It came in the boat.
That is just crazy.
Holy cow, it's getting worse. Look at,
Oh my God.
I can't close the door because there's a piece of hail in the way.
I know.
But look at,
Try to go to the front part of the boat because you can see the hail blowing completely sideways.
Oh my word. Look at all this purple stuff. Look at all that. Oh my God. I don't even know.
look at the hail hitting the water. Oh my God.
John, you gotta come to the front, dude.
Right on top of us.
Okay, I'm in the kitchen.
We're right here in the middle. We're right in the middle.
You can see it floating in the water. Huh? Me. Wow. Look at the hail hitting the water. This is crazy.